Alright YouTube, back here, custom cold air intake. Shout out R32 Nick on IG. I'll put that on the screen. Got that going. This is gonna be insane looking. This is just the first one. We actually have to get the other one, and then I'll do the startup. This is actually the first mod on this car, and I think it's a tasty mod. We're about to find out. Here's the engine bay. Yeah, should I open the coolant cap? Psych. Yeah. That looks fire.
There you go.
Boom.
First one's on. Down a little bit.
Yeah, no cap, but it looks good. I mean, first one's on. We'll take a closer look. Shout out eBay, supplying the goodies. But yeah, we're gonna do the next one. So let's get it. All right, guys, don't mind the mess. We're just gonna clean the throttle body just a little bit. I'm gonna use water. Just get it all a little sorted out. It's from 1998. I believe it's the original throttle body. It's pretty tiny, but does the job. Let's get it. All right, guys. R32 Nick's gonna start the car. First startup. Hopefully everything goes good.
Holy crap. Dude, that's a Hellcat. That's a Hellcat.
Oh my god.
That's a fucking Hellcat,
oh
bro.
My god. Oh my. Yo, hey, the video. I swear this audio is not edited. When I post this video, guys, that was not edited. That actually like popped my ear almost, bro. That was actually really loud, but in a good way.
Dude, that was idle. We haven't even driven it yet.
Yeah.
Rory! Oh my god!
It will have like a red thing.
It's on.
It's on. What's up, YouTube? Just did the intake. Wow, this is the brightest light. Just did the intake. I'm gonna turn it off actually. Just did the intake and gonna give it a little rip ski. It's a little wet outside. But yeah, we're gonna just take it on a little ride. Oh my god. Alright, which way high? Go right. There's no camera. My god. Put the window down. Yeah, we got speed cameras, so we can't really rip it right now. But we're in Mexico. Yeah, they actually installed these new speed cameras in Mexico, so you gotta be really careful. Gotta find a road to rip it on. Feels a little slower, but I do have it in wet mode, and it's wet outside. But I don't know. I hear the air intake noise. It whines, and it does a little like backfire too. It's OC. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what's good with it. Yeah. Where should we do it? Just over here.
Yeah. Mexican school.
Mexican school. Shout out. Yeah, let's plug it right here. Sure, you're doing here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's pop the hood so we can get some
Pop the hood,
audio over here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is ear piercing. Oh my god.
Shout out eBay. Shout out eBay. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Shout out R32 Nick, like I said. We fabricated it. And yeah, make sure you like this video, subscribe. Murtacus out. Peace. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to step back a little bit. We're gonna get the cops called on.
That is intoxicating. People are like, is there a fucking jet here?
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck?
Someone's probably like smoking outside or like on a phone call.
That is great, bro. That is great.
Yeah.
That is...
I'm happy.
Dude, that shit sounds... Dude, I'm telling you, this car probably has so much sound deadening, it's probably loud as shit outside.
Oh,
wait,
yeah.
do you want me to do a drive-by and get you on camera? Oh, nah?
Nah, we'll just do it another time.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm a little scared, I just don't want the cops.
I feel like from outside, if we went to SLK State, oh, we should get a video tomorrow.
We're gonna go, yeah.
And compare it, bro. It's loud. I mean, if you put the windows down, we'll hear it way better.
Yeah. Alright, we'll get another rip ski in.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hellcat swapped. Hellcat swapped. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, guys. This is actually insane.
Dude, it feels peppier, bro.
Yeah. Well, it just sucks that it's like wet outside. I'm spinning the wheels when I floor it. It's not the move. But yeah, boys and girls all over the world, we're out here. Nay. But yeah, guys, catch you on the next video. Peace.